Friends, my name is Sandeep Bakshi. Today I'm about to share a very useful tip. Those who wants to add signature in a soft copy in a document file or in a digital format which is there on your email. It's a night time, early morning, you don't have access to a printer and suddenly within 2 minutes you have to sign a letter, right? And you need a signature on it. The ideal process, what we do is we take a printout, sign it, scan it, and then email it back. Now in case you doesn't have that access to the printer and market is far or close, what you will gonna do that time? The simple process is, what you have to do is get a signature on a piece of paper, then take a picture of it, and then what you have to do, I will go back and show you. Go to the camera scanner, right? Once you go to camera scanner, go to import. My camera scanner is working a little slower, so I'll go to import from gallery. Then you can see a lot of signatures are there. So probably, let's suppose this is, sometimes why I'm going to the camera scanner, you can see the file, the picture sometimes what you have taken is either grayish, bluish, and you need it into a document file. It should be more whiter. So I am importing it. Now this is this you can see it's on a bluer side. So after, let's suppose I reduce it a little, but like this I can reduce it, or maybe from the left side also a little bit. Then what I will do, I will move it, and then what I have to do is I have to keep this on a magic color, then the white color will appear. I'm saying okay, then I will click the photo again, go to the share button, and the third option here you can see in the bottom 5 out of the 5 option, one is the share JPG. Once you click to this, the first option that comes in, save to gallery. So the file has been saved to gallery. Now what we can do is we can minimize this, and then what you need to do is, once you have minimized this, go to Polaris Office. If you are using any other Office software, you can use the same. Go to Polaris Office, open the file, open the document file on which you need to add that signature. So let's suppose this Priyanka Kapoor document is required. So what I will do, first there is on the top right corner there is a button known as edit. So press to that edit button, right? Come below, in between warm regards and Sandeep Bakshi, I have to sign it. So I will click to this. Now once I have clicked to this, then on the bottom side, left side, you will see there is a word button is there, home. Click to that button. Second option is insert. Click again. At the top, at the bottom, you can see picture. So click to picture. Now all those pictures which is there recently could appear. If it is not, then probably from here you can select those images, picture, go to recent, click to the picture which you want to, click to the signature. Now it will definitely going to be a little larger. Using these dot lines, I can reduce the size. I can keep on reducing up to the level at which I am satisfied. Now this looks quite okay. Then what I will do, I will on the top right side there is a button known as done. Once that done, now click to left side 3 buttons, 3 lines, and save the file. Once the file is saved, if you open it again, you can see the signature has been added up here perfectly. So this is how you can do this, and then you can send it across the mail or the WhatsApp in other ways. Thank you guys, and hopefully this tip will be very useful to you guys, and this is how you can enter your add your signature into the document file. Thank you guys.